Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair, as you probably already know. Today I'm going to be talking with you a little bit about a door ding dent repair that we're going to be doing here on this 2005 GMC Yukon Denali. So, just kind of flipping the camera around here, let's go ahead and show you what we're working on here. Fixing that little guy right there. You can see it just barely. Real soft, real minor, nothing too extreme. But still a dent. It's got some paint scratches and stuff like that in it. Not a big deal, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this dent all fixed up here for you guys. So I just wanted to go ahead. This is my first day, so I just bought the DJI Osmos 4 gimbal. So this is the first time I've actually used it on a live video, which is very daring. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to see about getting this all set up on here and whatnot. So hey guys, what's going on? So the door ding here. So we've got it located just below the door handle. This is a really common door ding dent on any type of the GMC or Chevy style pickups. Well, quite frankly, all of them. I know the Fords get dents here all the time. I think probably every car gets dents here all the time. Anyways, so what we go ahead and do to start off this repair is actually roll down the window channel, or roll the window down, install a stainless steel window guard, which is what we have here. This allows us to actually put pressure and actually push off the glass and twist the tool to push this dent out. So if it's something extreme or anything like that, we're not typically putting a whole lot of pressure on the glass, just something like for this minor kind of damage like you saw here, then we're able to go ahead and do it that way. So the tool I'm actually going to be using here today is a PDR Finesse. I think it's the 36. This is the standard length. I believe this is 24 inches. And I actually have Tessa tape on the tape edge here, or on the edge here. What that actually does is that tape is actually a soft tape. It allows to do a much softer push, but on top of that, it also allows the tool not to have not to be slippery, not to slide around typically quite as much. So with the window guard installed here, I actually have my wedge light from Edgy Tools actually already in the window here. What that does is it's basically a flashlight on the end of a wedge. So when I wedge the door and basically expand the window channel opening slightly bigger so I can stick a tool in, it also illuminates or lights up the whole entire area in here so I can see exactly what's in the way, if there is anything in the way for that matter, in the estimating process. So I'm going to go ahead and take this PDR Finesse tool and actually slide it down into the door channel here. So basically thinking of it as if this tool was inside the door, we're actually going to get the door tool in like this and then slowly twist. So I'll be twisting the tool like this with my wrist and physically pushing the damage out through a bunch of multiple repetitive pushes. So that's a pretty long and tedious process to actually get dent repairs out and stuff like that. Door ding's not quite as bad, but you know, it's definitely a skill. So it's not something where there's no way anybody, I would love to have somebody show up here and want to actually use these that doesn't have any experience, just because they'd see, wow, this is a lot harder than it looks. Just trying to pinpoint and put this tip exactly where it needs to be. And it's, trust me, if you get it off and you start pushing and you push wrong, you can a lot of times ruin and not be able to repair it, or it makes for a substantial amount of work. That's why it's always very, very important to go ahead and choose a paintless dent repair professional when doing paintless dent repair. So make sure you always, you know, check out some of their social media stuff. With today's age, you know, everybody's posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. You know, and YouTube actually is probably a big one. So see what kind of stuff they put out there, see what kind of stuff they've done, ask to see, you know, some of their stuff, and then obviously read reviews. So read reviews on the other dent repair tool company or dent repair companies to see, you know, what are their customer interactions like? Do they seem like maybe a fabricated review? Because it's sad, because there are companies out there that do actually purchase. Yeah, you can actually purchase Google reviews, Yelp reviews. I mean, Facebook reviews. It's actually really sad. But it is what it is. So anyways, not something we're a part of, but you know, it is what it is. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and continue working on this dent here and get this dent all pushed out here with the paintless dent repair tool from PDR Finesse. And we will be seeing you guys on the next one. If you've got any dent repair that you need done in the Sioux Falls area, or have any types of questions or anything about anything I have done here or started to do here, go ahead and give us a call or text us at 605-250-1023, or you can go ahead and check out our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. From there you can see a big portfolio of all of our stuff. Follow us on all the social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and we do have a TikTok. Just search out Sioux Falls Dent Repair, and you'll be able to find us somewhere. So anyway, for the next upcoming videos here, and I'm going to be doing these daily, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to learn about paintless dent repair, anything like that, glue pulling? You want to know more about tools? You want to know more about access points on vehicles? You know, just give me some ideas. What do you guys want to learn about? So anyways, appreciate you guys hanging out with me this evening here, and we'll go and see you guys tomorrow on the next one. So take care and have a good rest of your night here, guys. So